You're going to love the 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, front fog lights, skid plates, and a split-folding rear seat. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.